Being prepared for any situation is always a smart idea. I have listed the best 20 Doomsday survival gear and gadgets you can find on Amazon. From reliable tools to essential gadgets, these items are all about helping you stay safe and ready for anything. Links to find the best prices on all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description below. Draeger Respirator. A battery-powered blower unit draws in ambient air through a filter and provides a constant flow of filtered air, ensuring safe breathing in hazardous environments. The large selection of headboards such as masks, bonnets, helmets, and visors makes the product suitable for various applications, including sanding, woodworking, welding fumes, painting work, and use in the chemical and petrochemical industries. With no breathing resistance from the PAPI unit, users can work efficiently for longer durations. Wildcan Rope Protector. Made of high-quality PVC polyester, the lightweight and durable rope protector offers excellent anti-corrosion and wear resistance, protecting ropes from premature wear. Its collapsible and expandable design ensures easy handling, while the Velcro closure and clip system securely fix the rope in place. Perfect for rock climbing, mountaineering, tree climbing, construction, and aerial work, this versatile protector prevents damage from sharp edges and abrasive surfaces, ensuring reliable performance in various outdoor activities. YY Vertical Belay Glasses. Designed to enhance comfort and safety for climbers, the belay glasses feature enlarged zero-default prisms for a clear, strain-free view of the climber and belaying equipment. The sporty design is available in 3 colors and is compatible with sunglasses or spectacles, providing versatility. The sturdy, smart case with a carabiner ensures easy portability, allowing users to access their glasses safely and conveniently during climbing sessions. Created by climbers for climbers, the glasses provide an unparalleled belaying experience. Black Diamond Half Dome Helmet. The rock climbing helmet combines durable ABS outer shell material with EPS impact foam for exceptional shock absorption and impact protection, meeting climbing safety standards. Featuring a streamlined design with lightweight headlamp clips, it provides secure attachment and peace of mind during climbs or approaches. The easily adjustable chin strap and lower-profile suspension system, paired with a one-handed fit dial, ensure a customized and secure fit, making the helmet a reliable choice for outdoor enthusiasts. Cal Survival Spear. Constructed with a fiberglass-reinforced nylon handle, the Survival Spear offers exceptional accuracy, comfort, and durability. The 8-inch double-edged stainless steel blade is polished to razor sharpness, providing efficient piercing, prying, impaling, and breaching capabilities. Designed for recreational use, the tactical spear excels at target practice and campsite competitions, accurately hitting targets like stumps, trees, and hay bales. Its exquisite leather sheath ensures safe storage, making it a reliable tool for outdoor activities like hiking, camping, and wildlife observation. Estwing Hunter's Axe. Perfect for chopping logs, small trees, and branches or splitting firewood, the versatile hunting axe offers reliable outdoor performance. The patented shock reduction grip reduces impact vibration by 70%, enhancing comfort and control. Made from a single piece of American steel, the axe ensures long-lasting durability and reliable performance. The hand-sharpened blade includes a ballistic nylon sheath for added safety and convenience, making it an essential tool for various outdoor applications. GCS Handmade Tracker Knife. Crafted from a single 27.94 cm piece of premium D2 steel, the tactical knife offers exceptional wear resistance, sharpness, and cutting efficiency. Its vacuum-hardened 59 HRC blade provides a top-tier cutting experience for hunting, camping, and outdoor use. The durable aluminum rod pins and brass tube lanyard hole enhance its functionality, while the sleek design offers excellent grip and control. This versatile knife serves as an ideal companion for survival situations, marine tasks, and other demanding outdoor activities. Cal Snake Gaiters. Made from rugged 1200D nylon Oxford fabric, the snake gaiters offer reliable protection against rattlesnakes, thorns, and cactus needles. Built-in polypropylene panels wrap smoothly around the lower legs, ensuring superior puncture resistance. Adjustable top elastic bands and a ring waistband provide a secure fit for various leg sizes, while the wide Velcro and hook strap buckles keep debris, snow, and dirt out. The durable, waterproof design makes these gaiters essential for hiking and wildlife exploration. G4 Free Military Tactical Backpack. The military tactical backpack offers 40 liters of storage capacity with a high-density, durable, and water-resistant 1000D polyester fabric construction. The mole webbing system allows for additional attachments, while two D-rings on shoulder straps provide convenient access to hunting accessories. Featuring ventilated mesh on the back, shoulder mount, chest strap, and waist belt, the backpack ensures maximum comfort and breathability during long outdoor adventures, making it an excellent choice for hiking, camping, or tactical missions. Energizer LED headlamp. Equipped with a 260 lumen LED beam, the headlamp provides illumination up to 80 meters, perfect for various indoor and outdoor settings. Its rugged construction includes a shatterproof lens, IPX4 water resistance, and a durable body to withstand harsh conditions. Offering 7 versatile light modes, including red, spot, and wide options, it provides optimal lighting for every situation. The long-lasting battery ensures reliable performance, making it an essential backup tool during power outages or nighttime activities. Fento knee pads. Ergonomically designed for superior protection, these knee pads ensure even pressure distribution across the lower leg to alleviate knee and back pain. Fastened with a 5 cm wide elastic strap for optimal support, they weigh just 300 grams each, making them lightweight and comfortable for extended use. Co-developed by medical specialists, they are ideal for construction, flooring, gardening, welding, and more, providing durable protection with a Level 1 Type 1 certification against penetration force. BRS Teeth Ice Crampons. Built for icy terrains, these crampons offer excellent traction with a high-strength steel spike and chain system that remains effective even at low temperatures. Made of high-density manganese steel with chrome spray paint, they ensure durability, toughness, and enhanced service life. Designed to firmly grip your shoes through an elastic wire harness, these crampons are reliable and effective for navigating slippery and challenging outdoor environments, providing essential safety in harsh winter conditions. AWP Tool Pouch. Durably constructed from premium oil-tanned leather, this carpenter tool pouch offers maximum longevity and organization with 10 pockets and a professional 4-tiered pocket design. Equipped with dual leather hammer holders for both left and right-hand use, a tape holder, key fastener, and tape chain, it ensures tools are easily accessible. The tunnel loop accommodates work belts up to 3 inches wide, making it a practical and sturdy solution for efficient tool storage and access. Aoliba Static Climbing Rope. Crafted from high-strength nylon, this static climbing rope offers impressive abrasion resistance, anti-slip features, and tear resistance. Certified to meet EN 892, 2012 plus A2:2021 standards, it provides reliable protection with a maximum tensile force of 23 knots and a bearing capacity of 1,900 kilograms. The smooth, flexible design ensures ease of handling and knotting. Complete with stainless steel protection thimbles, this climbing rope is built for durability and excellent adaptability to outdoor environments. Hide and Drink Sheath Holster. Handcrafted from premium full-grain leather, this sheath holster promises durability and timeless elegance. Its rustic design, meticulously stitched by expert artisans, showcases exceptional craftsmanship. The leather's quality ensures a long-lasting life that develops a beautiful patina over time. Backed by a remarkable 101-year warranty, it offers confidence in longevity and quality. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts or professionals, it's a reliable companion that ages gracefully while providing maximum utility and protection. Draeger Full-Face Respirator Mask. Designed for optimal protection, this full-face respirator mask offers excellent chemical and thermal resistance with a flexible, skin-friendly structure. The wide 180 degrees plexiglass visor provides a clear, distortion-free view, enhanced by a low-profile filter design. Compatible with various bayonet filters, it ensures effective shielding against toxic substances. With durable rubber bands and steel buckles, the mask stays securely in place, delivering reliable performance and comfort during hazardous tasks or industrial operations. Taiju Hunting Rangefinder. Engineered for precision, this rangefinder provides 6x magnification with accurate readings from 3 to 700 yards. It delivers fast measurements within 0.5 seconds with a margin of error of just plus or minus 1 yard. Compact and lightweight at 0.35 pounds, it's perfect for hunting or shooting under harsh conditions. The device is user-friendly with an LCD display, adjustable focus knob, and multiple measurement modes, making it a reliable companion for accurate targeting. InnoStage Collapsible Water Container. Made from food-grade polyethylene, this collapsible water container is durable, leak-proof, and ideal for outdoor use. Its innovative design allows it to be folded into a compact square, saving space by over 80%. Equipped with a gasketless lid and spigot for reliable flow control, it's perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency preparedness. Strong enough to withstand heavy pressure, it's a versatile solution for storing water or serving as a jumbo ice pack when needed. ENO Sunfly Shade. Built for adventure, this shade canopy offers excellent protection with its durable, 100% recycled ripstop fabric construction. The all-in-one design provides versatile coverage for chairs, hammocks, and other outdoor setups, weighing less than 4 pounds for easy portability. The simple, knot-free setup ensures hassle-free installation, making it perfect for camping, beach trips, or any outdoor activity requiring quick and effective shade from the sun's harsh rays. SJK Fishing Vest. Offering maximum functionality, this fishing vest features a 12-pocket layout for convenient gear organization. Designed with a neoprene collar for added comfort, it promotes excellent breathability thanks to its mesh body. The front hook and loop rod holder, quick-release buckle closure, and center-back net keeper add to its versatility. Whether you're on a casual fishing trip or a more demanding excursion, this vest provides comfort, convenience, and practical storage for all your essentials. Whether you're preparing for the unexpected or just love the thrill of outdoor adventure, these 20 coolest Doomsday survival gear and gadgets have got you covered. From high-tech tools to rugged essentials, being ready for anything has never been this exciting or accessible. Want to gear up without breaking the bank? Make sure to check out the links in the description for the latest prices. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up, share it with fellow survival enthusiasts, and be sure to hit that subscribe button and bell icon to stay updated with all our latest content, tips, and reviews.